A lot of people come to me and say, Vic, show me the money. I'd like to build an online income. I'd like to do something good on the internet to where it can generate me income. Show me the money. How do I do that? Let me show you the money. Take a look at my screen right here. See this? This is GetResponse. Have you heard of a GetResponse? It's an autoresponder company, right? What a mundane thing to do. This is my affiliate account from a couple years ago, right? Take a look at this amount, $337,791.04. Okay, take a look at this, 21,000 in euros and almost 15,000 in pounds. Right now, what you say, Vic, good for you, man. But here's the coolest part. I was able to generate this as an affiliate commission without spending a single dime to promote GetResponse. In fact, I have never ever ran a single ad promoting GetResponse. How did they pay me $300,000 over the years, right? I'm going to show you. Let me tell you a story real quick. Come on over here, because this might be helpful for you if you're trying to generate income on the internet. Take a look at this as well, right? So recently we surveyed some people, actually 2,730 people, as you can see. Right? And I asked them a question. I said, hey, how much money are you currently making online? Take a look at these responses. 0, haven't made any money yet. 70.92%. Okay? $1 to $100 a month, 18.97%. That's a big problem in the industry right now. Take a look at this. $100 to $1,000 per month, another 6.63%. Okay? What's the problem here? Well, if you total these three top answers here, you're going to come up to about 96.5% of people that are trying to make it online. They're failing. They're failing to make more than $1,000 a month. Why? There's two big reasons for it. Let me show you what they are. Number one is this thing called overwhelm. Okay? Overwhelm. You got to eliminate that if you want to succeed online. The reason most of those people are failing is because they're focusing 98% of their activities on stuff that might be producing 2% of the results for them. Okay, what you need to do is you need to understand how to flip it, how to reverse it. Okay, what are the handful of things? I'm gonna show you some things that might help you here in just a minute. But instead of focusing on this, like the 96%ers, what you need to do is identify this. What are your income producing activities? Just a handful of things that will help you get the results that you want. Number two, okay, is dependency. Okay, and this is a big one. Here's what I mean by dependency. Okay, if this is you, okay, excuse my drawing, I'm not here to be fancy with you, I'm here to get a point across. Okay, the reason most people are failing is because they also have one income stream. They have one traffic source. They have one mentor, one company, something that they depend on, okay? And if that thing doesn't work out, if they're promoting this product over here, trying to make it, okay, and the worst mistake they're making is trying to send traffic straight to the product with no system, with no pre-frame, and it's failing, right? Maybe this thing is converting at 1%. Well, no wonder they're failing, okay? Has that ever happened to you? I know it did for a lot of people, and does happen, to 96% of people on the internet right now. Now, take a look at anybody who's truly successful online. You're going to find this. They have income streams coming in from multiple directions, okay? This direction, this direction, this direction, this direction, this direction, okay? Now, let me ask you a question. Would you like to have your business be set up like this, to where you have an ecosystem that can pay you? You have this company paying you, this company paying you, this company, and this company paying you. Now, here's the coolest part. What if you did not have to do any of the selling, to get all these income streams activated for you? How awesome would it be, right? You say, Vic, it's impossible. Totally possible. Let me show you something else here, right? So what we did is back in 2010, I got this concept. I said, look, if I'm promoting a company, right, and the customer that comes into my funnel buys a product that I'm promoting, whatever the result that he's looking for, okay, let's say he's an insurance agent, right? And he wants to generate leads for his agency. Well, if he is looking for the result, which is, hey, how do I generate more leads? That's the end result he's looking for the product, that the product would deliver. And the product would train him on how to get that list for that agency, right? Well, what does he need? He needs some basic tools. Makes sense now, right? So one of these tools can be an autoresponder. This is how GetResponse paid me, all right, over $300,000, okay? Over $300,000 without me even running any single ads for GetResponse. Now, what else might he need? Well, he might need a funnel builder to capture the leads for his agency. Does that make sense, right? Simple concept, but it has never been done online before in a way that is systematic, and it is done in an ecosystem until right now. And I'd like to give you free access to it if that's what you want, okay? So what we did is we created a company called the 4%, right? Fitting name, right? Just because 96% of the people are failing, as I just showed you. Now, would you like to raise yourself, to elevate yourself into the 4%er category, okay? Let me show you something else. Take a look at the screen here. So we started to test this concept of these multiple streams of income, right? Within the 4% system, we created a system, same system that I was using for years that paid me a ton of money like I just showed you. Now I decided to share the wealth, okay? We wanted to make it available even to the beginners, so that even a beginner who has never made a dime before, might not understand, this whole selling concept or creating systems or funnels or any of this stuff, he could plug into something that works and he could get predictable result, okay? Take a look at this. We started to test this. ClickFunnels, one of the income streams, multiple income streams, okay? $61,000, okay, in payout. This is from a test account. Again, not a single dime spent on marketing this particular company. It's all coming from the ecosystem working, okay? Here's another company, here's another get response. Yet another account, $4,600 just over the last several weeks here, right? Another one is ClickMagic. Have you heard of a ClickMagic, right? It's a tracking system. Again, tracking system, it's picks and shovels, okay? $21,500 was paid out without a single ad being ran. Now, there's also some big end or high ticket commissions on a back end you can activate for yourself if that's what you'd like. One of the companies is Techademics here, paid out $764,000, probably in a matter of about 7 months. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So how do we do this? Remember I told you number one thing for people failing is overwhelm, okay? What do? We focus on two things. Simplicity and results here within the 4%. I'd like to give you free access to the 4% because we're on a mission right now to changing the world. We currently have over 80,000 members and growing by the thousands every single day. And we're on the mission to change and impact as many people as we possibly can. And if you would like to have an opportunity to plug into something that's solid, that can teach you how to succeed and give you the system to work with that you can run and you can get results with, potentially, very quickly, okay? Then I'd like to give you a free access to the 4% and put you through 7 steps. Here's what the 7 steps is all about, okay? So we created this systematic way to success, if you will, okay? So step number 1 here is we're gonna talk about the strategy. You need to have a plan that will make sense to you. Make sure that you understand how to do, what to do, okay? The people fail because they don't have a clear plan and path for them to follow, okay? Very important. Number 2 is we're going to set you up with all these multiple streams of income here. Or actually, we'll get you created an account with the core product, okay, with a core product line. It doesn't cost you a dime to create these accounts, by the way, okay? All these affiliate accounts can be created for free. You can become an affiliate. Now, the big question is how do you activate all this and how do you make it work, okay? Again, we go to step number 3. This is where the funnel setup is going to come into the picture. I walk you through how to set up your entire funnel. We give you the funnel to run. Okay, we're going to activate your multiple streams of income. We're going to help you get results fast, hopefully, potentially within the next 24 to 48 hours. That's our intention. It's not a guarantee, it's not a promise, but it's an intention. Okay, makes sense? We're going to get you connected to the community to help you grow and scale your business. Very important. And then step number 7, final step, is I'm going to get you plugged into a program called Operation 100K. This is the coolest thing that has ever happened on the internet. Here's the concept of it, okay? Let me show it to you here. Oop, I did that on purpose, by the way. Check it out, okay? So what's the best way that I can help you, okay? What's the best way that I can help you? I've been online for 13 years, and I've seen everything, right? I've seen the failures, I've seen the successes, and everything in between. Now, how awesome would it be, okay, if you're starting out at 0 and you want to get to whatever your star is, okay? There's 2 ways I can go about this. I can be, option number 1, this guru on a high horse, right? And just tell you what you should be doing, okay? Which is unfortunately what happens a lot. Now, don't listen to 96% of people that you're seeing out there. They're failing, okay? So somebody that tries to tell you how to succeed, 96% chance of them being a failure in what they're doing, okay? So be careful who you listen to. That's option 1. I don't like that option. Option number 2 is I can be there in the trenches with you, okay? Here's what I mean. How would I go if I would become an affiliate, okay, starting from scratch, don't have a product, don't have a list, don't have big influence, don't have any of the fancy, accolades or whatever, right? How would I build myself an income to $100,000 in affiliate commissions? Okay, what would I do? Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and so forth. How would I identify product to promote, okay, or products to promote? How would I create systems and funnels for those products, okay, that would sell the product for me without me doing the selling? Important. How would I get the traffic to the system, right, that would build my list, okay? Make sense? And then how would I get the traffic? How would I activate all this? How would I scale? Now, here's the coolest part. What if I can put you behind my shoulder, metaphorically speaking, and you can see everything. Every mouse click, every mouse move, everything that I do, the good, the bad, the ugly, the beautiful, everything in between, everything is captured raw, uncut. Would that be of value to you, right? That's what I'm talking about when I say Operation 100K. Now, here's how this can work. If you would like to get access to the 4%, if you'd like to get access to the 7 steps, I can let you in for free. Doesn't cost you anything. Doesn't require a credit card, okay? You can go through the 7 steps at no cost, okay? You will get more information, more training, more value than some of the premium level products that are being sold out there for, you know, thousands of dollars. We have over 80,000 members right now and growing. Take a look at these comments right here. Almost 13,000 comments. Okay, people are just fired up. Okay, this is really, really cool stuff. And then I'm going to be totally transparent with you. If you would like to continue with us and go to the next level, if you catch the vision for what we do, right, you'll be able to ascend and go to the pro level with us, and it's going to be awesome, just awesome. At any rate, thank you for watching this video. Again, if you would like something that you can sink your teeth into, that works, something that can take you from step 1, step 2, step 3, step 7, show you how to succeed, give you the training, give you the system, activate your 7 steps to results, and I'll see you inside. Thanks for watching.